In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a OneDrive file with editing access to anyone. We'll begin right from your Microsoft 365 home screen. Look to the left side of the page and click the grid of 9 dots. This is the app launcher that opens a panel of Microsoft apps. From that panel, select OneDrive. If you don't see it immediately, the list may be scrollable, but once you find OneDrive, click it to open your files. Now, give OneDrive a moment to load. Depending on your connection and how many files you have, it might take a few seconds. You'll know it's ready when your folders and documents appear and the loading indicator disappears. If it seems slow, just be patient rather than clicking repeatedly. That prevents duplicate actions. Next, click on My Files. This is the main area where your personal OneDrive documents are stored. Take a moment to check the file you want to share, confirm the file name, and if needed, open a quick preview to make sure it's the correct version. It's always a good idea to verify you're sharing the right document before you send it out. When you're sure, click on Share for that file. This opens the sharing window. In the box where it asks for people to share with, type their email. Enter the recipient's address carefully and double-check for typos. Avoid including any sensitive personal details. Just the email address is enough for OneDrive to send the link. Before you send, make sure that it can edit to anyone. In the sharing options, look for the permission settings. Change the link type to anyone with the link, and ensure the permission is set to Can Edit. This tells OneDrive to create a link that anyone who receives it can open and make changes to. Keep in mind that some organizations restrict anyone links. If you don't see that option, it may be a policy setting. If the option is available, confirming Can Edit prevents your recipients from being stuck in view-only mode. Once everything looks correct, the right file, the right recipient, and the right permission, click on Send. OneDrive will deliver an email with the link, and you'll typically see a confirmation that the invitation has been sent. From here, your recipient can open the file and start collaborating immediately. That's it. You click the 9 dots, open OneDrive, waited for it to load, went to My Files, checked the file, click Share, type their email, ensured the link allows anyone to edit, and then sent it. Follow these steps and you'll share files confidently and securely every time.